Has premature ejaculation played havoc with your love life? Are you unable to give complete satisfaction and pleasure to your woman? Do you lack confidence and feel embarrassed when you're unable to sustain your performance? Premature ejaculation is a condition that affects millions of men worldwide. There are many reasons for its cause, as there is also as many suggested cures. How do you put your faith in a cure which, after claiming to help you, has let you down miserably? To understand your problem, you need someone who has experienced the same disappointment of premature ejaculation. Continuous use of medication, such as antidepressants and pills, far outweigh the benefits. Side effects like mood changes and loss of libido may be harmful and cause embarrassment. Besides, the benefits are only short-lived. Topical solutions like creams and pills only work for a short while and require regular application. This can be really irritating and can hinder the pleasure of sex. Apart from the harm caused by such treatments, continued use can be very expensive. And then one day, when searching the internet, I landed on a program that changed my life forever. I finally found a cure. I did not know it right away, but the way the problem of premature ejaculation was addressed was totally different and most convincing. The program was Ejaculation by Command, a step-by-step guide that tackles the problem naturally in a comfortable and non-evasive manner. I learned about how men can control their ejaculation by physiology and physical application. The physical aspect involving exercises for better control, which also discusses the use of different positions that help men perform longer and also help women experience pleasurable and exciting orgasms. The invaluable tips in the program are well researched and will enhance your performance should you apply them on a regular basis. And the best part is, it's all natural with no side effects whatsoever. So what are you waiting for? Visit PrematureEjaculationCures.org right now. Alternate ending? Visit PrematureEjaculationCures.org right now.